Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to download best ringtone and wallpaper app. Go to Play Store, there you will search that G Z click click here and download it. I have already downloaded. When it will download, go through it. Will open this type. It will opening. Please wait. It has opened. If you want HD wallpapers, you want Apple iPhone X wallpapers include, you can search here Apple iPhone 10. Search here, it will open. If you want games, ringtones, wallpaper, if you want live wallpapers, see here Apple iPhone wallpapers. It will open. Please wait. Has not opened yet. Please wait. It has not opened. Please wait for a few minutes. ओ यार एक वीडियो नहीं चज ना बना सकते. It has not opened. We'll go to first ringtones, then we go to, if you want Apple iPhone 10 ringtones in any type of ringtone, you can search here. If you want Apple iPhone ringtone, you can direct to Apple iPhone 10 and Apple iPhone 6. Also ringtone was there. Please wait. Thanks for watching my video. Please like it and subscribe it. Thank you. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. ओके बाय.